Hey everybody, how's it going? Chris here just to show you a quick tip on your 2017 or 2018 Ridgeline. And today I'm going to show you how to check the maintenance that your vehicle is requiring when you go to make your next service appointment. So basically, there's two ways of doing this. We can check your maintenance over here in your main screen. You can click on settings right down here. And as you can see, you're going to find a option there called vehicle. So you're going to click on vehicle. When you go on the vehicle, you're going to see a few different options. And when you're going through the options, you want to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see a maintenance info. So that maintenance info there, we'll give that a click. And once we go into there, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to get done. And as you can see, if you've done it yourself, you can also reset your oil life or reset your maintenance that you've already done. Now, if you're driving along, you may get the notification on your screen indicating that you may need to do an oil change or your next service. Now, if you want to see when your next service is due, if you go to your screen here, that's right in front of you when you're driving, and you take a look here, this is what you got, right? You got a couple different options here, your distance till empty, your fuel mileage, there's your tire pressure, stuff like that. So anyways, how to get to there on your Ridgeline is if you go on the steering wheel here and you see, I'm going to see if I can make this work with the camera here. If I push this button, you'll watch that screen change, all right? Now, if you hit that down arrow or the up arrow, eventually you're going to get to, once again, the oil change. So once you get to your oil life indicator, that oil life indicator, it has a percentage bar there. As you can see right now, it says 100. When you get down to 15%, it's going to give you a warning saying that your next service is due, and it's going to give you a list of sub items like A1 service or B1 service, and those are all very important to follow. If you don't follow those, you could run into issues with warranty and stuff like that. So make sure that you do follow that process there that Honda's laid out. And at the end of this video here, I'm actually going to show you what those sub items are. So let me go take a look at what those are for you.